Formoa 057 is a single component hybrid polymer adhesive. It is designed for applications that require a fast curing adhesive that has good bonding and sealing capabilities and is highly durable. It is a multi-purpose adhesive that can come in either 290ml cartridges, 600ml foil packs or bulk options. Formoa 057 has a fast cure time and high grab that helps ensure production lines can keep moving. It also has excellent weathering resistance to remain durable in difficult conditions. Increased cure speed compared to other one-component adhesives, good bond and seal capabilities, good grab characteristics, good colour stability and UV resistance. It doesn't have a very high bonding strength for structural applications, can be very difficult to gun out, and is only available in white. Is Formoa 057 a good adhesive for you? If you were looking for a fast curing multi-purpose adhesive that is great at bonding and sealing and has high grab, Formoa 057 would be a good option for you. If you want a lower viscosity adhesive sealant that is easier to use, or you want a higher strength structural adhesive, we advise looking at other products in the range. If you want more information about Formoa 057, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.